Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix controller or gamepad not working in Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced game. So without wasting time, here follow the steps very carefully. Now the first fix is to enable disable Steam input. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Assassin's Creed's Black Flag Resynced game. This is just an example I am showing with another game, and then click on properties. Then go to the controller tab, and from the drop down here select disable Steam input first, then restart the game. And after restarting the game, check if the controller or gamepad is working or not. If not, then again go to the Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced game properties, go to controller tab, and this time select enable Steam input, and then again restart the game, and then check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 2 is to disable third-party game controllers and unplug additional peripherals. So other peripherals on your PC like third-party game controllers or any plug peripherals such as USB devices, pen drive, phone, camera, or additional controllers, display, mouse, keyboard might conflict with the game. So remove such peripheral devices and then check if it fixes the problem or not. Fix 3. Check if controller is properly connected. Check and make sure that your controller is connected properly to your PC. If you're using a wireless controller, check if it is paired correctly or not. And if you're using a wired controller, then try plugging it into different ports and check. You can also test your controller on different systems to identify the issue. Fix 4. Use a wired controller. This is an alternative solution. Maybe game have some bugs or glitches at present and your wireless controller is not working. So if you have wired controller, then connect it and then play the game as of now. Fix 5. Press the Alt plus Enter keys. So you can try this tip. So try pressing the Alt plus Enter keys on your keyboard. This simple trick can sometimes help to fix the problem, and then check if your problem is solved or not. And last solution is to restart Steam or restart PC. So simply close Steam from Task Manager, then relaunch Steam and then launch the Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced game and check. If that doesn't help, then restart your PC, run the launcher as an admin and then launch the game and check. So I hope by following these fixes you can easily solve controller or gamepad not working in Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.